Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to trade futures on Bitget. Firstly, go to Bitget and log in to your account and complete the verification. You'll need USDT for futures. You can either deposit from another wallet like copy your USDT address or buy directly on Bitget through P2P or card purchase. Now from the top menu, select Futures, USDT and Futures, and here you'll see the chart, order book, and trading panel. Pick your trading pair like BTC USDT, then adjust leverage. Beginners should stick with 2 to 5 to reduce the risk. Now decide between limit order, you set the price, or market order executes instantly. If you think the price will rise, go long or buy. If you think it will fall, go short or sell. And always protect yourself. For example, enter long at $60,000, TP at $62,000, and SL at $59,000. Now check your position in the Positions tab. You can close manually or let TP or SL trigger automatically. And that's it. You've just learned how to futures trade on Bitget in a simple step-by-step way. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.